Ну а перед началом данного видео хочу всех поблагодарить за ваши лайки, комментарии и поздравления на прошлом видео. Мне очень приятно, всем спасибо. Ну а также хочу передать привет Элит Драйвсу. Ну и теперь наконец-то долгожданные трюки с DIY. Но сначала я вам покажу трюки, которые можно сделать тогда, когда на DIY скейт-парке мокро.
Вроде бы я но вроде бы и скользко.
When I'm coming and I'm walking and I got a plan. I've been doing this shit by myself until I land. Said you got some problems for yourself, I understand. I just go and drop another track development. Please get out my way. Yeah, when it's pretty cold, yeah, it's gonna stay. I've been in my zone, yeah, I've never ever been away. I'ma set the tone so like all the people stay. I'ma never stop, get it.
Сегодня у нас Game of Skate. Шуваши.
Weekend, locking myself in my home, and I don't wanna go to no parties, little baby, so don't send invites to my phone. She say I'm an asshole for no reason, cause I just wanna be left alone. Quit being so damn big-hearted, baby, that shit ain't gonna get you too far. Ay, paranoid bitch, I'm tweaking, locking myself in my home.
Так, Олег сейчас гадает.
Baby, so don't send invites to my phone. No reason, cause I just wanna be left alone. Quit being so damn big-hearted, baby, that shit ain't gonna get you too far, baby. Ain't gonna get you too far. Cause you don't ever wanna say shit. You yelling, making people look. Bitch, this our own conversation. Perfect pictures on the ground, but we all know you fake it. Now I'm posted with a bad bitch, slim thick and she know how to take dick. Been fucking with you for a while now I'm taking new bitches on dates. Posted up with some grown ass man, wait till they find out you ain't.
Yeah.
I bet I got way too much on my plate. Don't hit my phone with sorries.
Офигеть, с первой попытки. Switch back с Наконец.
On the TV, my ex bitch ain't believe me.
Так, счет уже раскаляется.
А сейчас трюк, который я давно не делал.
You gonna be pissed, best believe me. And shout out my game, I'm a
Не, ладно, я зачитаю.
CD.
Вторая попытка.
Myself in my home.
When I'm coming and I'm walking and I got a plan. I've been doing this shit by myself until I land. Said you got some problems for yourself, I understand. I just go and drop another track development. Please get out my way. Yeah, when it's pretty cold, yeah, it's gonna stay. I've been in my zone, yeah, I've never ever been away. I'ma set the tone so like all the people stay. I'ma never stop, get it popping like a CBA. Yeah, had a choice.
Короче, сегодня я ничего не смог сделать, потому что холодно. У нас, наверное, тут -1, так что переносимся на следующий день. А тут-то ничего, считай, нету. А ну.
Давай.
Wake up, early mornings, late nights, hopping on a different flight. What's the meaning of life, ayy? Wake up, same-ish, different day. Make a wish, call it pray. Am I sick, am I okay, ayy? Stay up, late nights, still in pain. In my mind, it decays as I try to make a change. See the sun, see it set, feel some pain, feel regret. All the same, what is next? I'm to blame for my head, Life, it changes in many different ways, yeah. You turn the page and you see a new day, yeah. Be the same or you go and make a name, yeah. Listen to hate or help someone who's in pain, yeah. We all want love and we all wanna be great, yeah. It's not enough, so we keep running the race, yeah. This life is tough if you let it be that way, yeah. Sit back and love your own journey every day. I got a deep thoughts in my bed, got me feeling like a weak spot in my head, and I ask myself to please stop. Take a breath, need to get all of these deep thoughts out my head, yeah. I just wanna be known, I just wanna be home. Feel like I'm all alone and I need to do it on my own. I just wanna be known, I just wanna be home. Feel like I'm all alone and I need to do it on my own, yeah. I live for music, yeah, I love to do it, yeah. It's therapeutic and I need it to get through it, yeah. I keep on moving, yeah, I keep on doing, yeah. I keep improving so people can feel it too, and go on and fix their lives one decision at a time, one vision, one mind. We're winning this grind. Okay, okay, let's make each other proud. Turn the future into now. Turn this world upside down. Yeah.
Ой-ой-ой.
I ain't got no advice. Think about it once, I'ma never say twice. If you wanna touch, then you better know the price. Push it like a clutch, make a left and hit it right. Say it on the mic, I ain't got no advice. Think about it once, I'ma never say twice. If you wanna touch, then you...
Подписывайтесь на канал, лайкайте, комментируйте видео. Спасибо за просмотр и всем пока. Шучу, не пока, видео продолжается. Лайкайте, комментируйте видео. Так что давайте, вы делаете 3 этих действия, а я доделываю трюк. Договорились? Договорились.
Тебя у***ли, да?
Ну, таким получилось видео. Надеюсь, оно вам понравилось. Я очень старался. Ну и под конец держите коронную часть сегодняшнего видео. Подписывайтесь на канал, лайкайте, комментируйте видео. Спасибо за просмотр и всем пока.